road. Oh yeah, I could have gone then. I couldn't see where he was indicating, and the fucking idiots, they never indicate, do they? They never indicate to go in. So annoying. I wish people indicate left more. I mean, people, well, really indicating right is the most important around the roundabout, because if you don't indicate right, then how are people supposed to know you're turning right and they can pull out in front of you? But indicating left is also a pet peeve of mine, people not indicating left, because it's just handy to know when someone's turning in, isn't it? So, or people doing it too early as well, that's another pet peeve I have. People do it too early. I like to do it when my shoulder hits the last exit, so you know, it hits the bollards, it goes past, when my shoulder goes past the bollard of the last exit. I'm just gonna go right. Yeah, I think it's this way. Right, we're now approaching the B roads. We have a little bit of fun. You know, it's nice and twisty, so if you don't want to break the law, you can just drop a few gears. You don't have to break the law, and you go flying up here if you want, and we go left from here, from what I imagine. Oh, I just love hearing that noise. Like, it doesn't need a new exhaust, but oh, there's a slow moving vehicle coming up. Torque steer. And we come up to a 30. I've got, being me, I've got to keep it around 30s because, you know, residential area. It does come in right there. Yellow jacket guy. No, this is not one of them speed people. Oh, fuck them anyways. But you know, you can have lots of legal fun in this car. Like, this car is definitely a lot more faster than the... Like, I don't have my foot planted right to the ground. I haven't even done that yet, because really. But like, you can have a lot of legal fun in this car. Like, yes, you can have illegal fun in this car, because it is a fast car, but it's not that fast where, to the point if you slightly put your foot down, you're breaking the law instantly, if you know what I mean. It's like, I guess it's more like 5 seconds and you're breaking the law. Depending, well, it's really dependent on how much you give it, but a lot of like, you know, Ferraris, stuff like that, you know, you can put your foot down, you'll be breaking the law in like 3 or 2 seconds. So we'll let the pheasant cross the road. There is no pheasants were harmed in the making of this video. I don't want to hit another one like I did before in my previous car. But yeah. Alright, we are here. Right, we are here. Right, fine. Look, so I had a little rip with my RC car. Oh, my phone's probably low on battery, so I probably should really be charging instead of filming and charging, I probably should be recording my phone, but the things I do for you. Now would it be left, would it be easy to turn left and go out there, or go around and I want to go out this way? Well, it probably don't matter, because they're both stony and it's probably tighter actually. Oof. Tugging a little bit, so nice MX-5, lippy headlights. No. Oh, come on. Try to flash it in, but they never works. I always go like that and then flash my lights, but they never seem to do it. I guess because I'm not a fellow MX-5 owner. Hopefully I will be it someday, because you know I would like one. That's one of my to get cars someday. But yeah, with that all out of the way, I'll probably end the video here. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and yeah. So that's been some Spirtied driving around the back roads. That's been some B-road driving. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, my name's Jay Bros. I'm out.
Roll up in the stain, but look a pad on the trigger. And massive slang and massive sing just like a pussy nigga. Into my groove, I make my move, better I with my Ruger. Shadow the light, I'm on Friday, gon' be pissed. and cougar. After I'm done,